in the shade.
Back there.
Yeah. All right.
We're at the zoo.
Zoo over there. Okay, people, in today's cozy experience, it's the Fort Worth Zoo. It feels good outside. It's 63 degrees. So.
Sun's shining bright, so it's not too hot and not too cold.
And we got our zoo shirts on, just like the San Diego Zoo. But, okay. Let's get in, look at some animals, and then later we're gonna eat some barbecue at Woodshed Smokehouse, something like that.
It's like right across the street, or from like in the same area as the
I think
zoo.
it has a cool view of the river,
Yeah.
even though the river is supposedly disgusting.
Listen, it looks pretty. You don't swim in it, but you can look at it.
All right, let's get to the entrance. You know, I've never rope dropped the zoo before.
Honestly, me either.
Oh yeah, because we didn't even rope drop San Diego.
No.
All right, cool. Hey, look, squirrel down there.
Our first animal.
Okay, so we're through. Haley's gonna lead the way. Dang, that's bright.
I'm gonna try.
Haley's leading the way. Hey, look,
Primates!
Western lowland gorilla. I don't know if you can see it from over here. They're right there.
Breakfast time.
Now, this ain't really the perfect camera to view things from afar, but you know. That one's walking. In the distance, that one's walking too. So cool. They're eating breakfast. Oh look, there's one right there. Whoa.
Oh!
Crazy. Second squirrel sighting. We don't really know what Haley's failing. She doesn't really know where we're going.
Well, okay. They're doing remodeling, which I love that for the zoo, but all the paths got twisty-turny, so it's really just a guessing game now.
If I remember correctly, this side is the reptile side.
Yes, MOLA.
Museum of Living Art. How does that make you know that it's about reptiles?
Because there's lizards and snakes on
Sorry, right under it says reptiles, amphibians, and more. Hey, what's in here?
The crocodile, look, he's right there. You can see his head like right at the top of the water next to the tree.
Oh, down there, over there.
See his big fat tail.
I can barely see. It's too reflective. Is there a better sign?
Maybe a little bit later he'll move.
Oh, flamingos over there.
Oh, okay.
Oh, maybe that's what I need the flamingos.
Relocated, yeah.
Alright, we're the only ones over here. That feels great. Oh, oh, okay.
Oh, you can see his head.
Oh, now there he is. Can you guys see it in camera? I think you guys can see it. Look at it. It's a big boy. Do you think it's just bored all day, every day?
Well, don't they typically do that in the wild too? They just sit and
I
chill.
mean, but in the wild, they have like the wild to wander.
That's true. Yeah, I feel like he gets bored.
Man, as much as I love zoos, sometimes it's depressing to think about it.
Well, maybe his exhibit will be next to be remodeled.
Hopefully. Oh, is this the food court or something?
Yeah, that's a big court, and that's MOLA.
It's a turtle! And fishies.
And the skinny I guess crocodiles?
Huh? Oh, those
I don't know if it's
fish,
alligator or
the
crocodile.
fish-eating ones.
Oh, there we go.
Wow, look at that turtle. Look at this turtle. That one.
Look. He ran into the wall.
He's like, humans, the first humans of the day. Oh, look at this one coming on.
There you go. He likes us.
All right. Moving on. Alright, going.
This is the big boy.
Animal off exhibit. Boo. Hey, look, more views. Oh, look, there's another one. Another big boy. Damn, look at his booty. His booty and feet.
Oh, there's one on the ground. Look.
Whoa, there's two on the ground.
Oh, I see one.
Wait, is that one a normal crocodile over on that side? Or is that a skinny
I
mouth
think
one?
all of these are the skinny mouth ones.
Whoa. How does it just stay sunk at the bottom
I don't know.
when it has like air in its body? Oh, look, that one's sinking. It just goes down. Look, it's just deflating.
What the heck?
Come on, fishies, get out of the way. I'm trying to. Whoa. That's interesting. How crocodiles can just do that.
For real.
Like, technically, I guess we can do that too, but it's a little more difficult.
Well, we can only do it for so long, though. He's been chilling for a while, it looks like.
Animals, there's something different.
It's our friend again.
He said, "What's up? You're inside now?" Oh, this is that thing from Harry Potter.
Oh!
Can't really see it in there.
Whip scorpion.
Look at the frilled wizard, guys. This is the thing like in Jurassic Park where it goes. So cool. See the detail in the neck. How flappy that is. This big boy. Smile. Dang, he is not camera shy. Dude, look at his claws. This is cool. It's big.
The big boy.
Ooh, so we're airplane. I like all the bamboo trees. We love bamboo. We're walking towards the Texas area.
Yeah. I think it's called Texas, but it's like all the it has mountain lions and like other animals.
So far, reptiles. That was pretty cool.
Always gives me goosebumps.
I wish they had some alligators over there, but it was just crockies. So, why do they have rock climbing here?
To get more money.
That's so weird. They do have sharks and stingrays. It's called
Stingray Cove.
Stingray Cove. It's extra though. It's not too expensive extra. I think maybe it's like just, if my recollection, it was no more than $20 per person extra. But even so, if you want to pet stingrays and sharks, you can do that. So that's cool. It's in the very back. Here we get a closer look at the kangaroos. What's up, fellas? So adorable.
Hi, babies.
Heyo. They are babies.
Well, it's cool they use their tails to like prop themselves up.
Oh, that is cool how they use their tails. Okay, so now we're on our way to Texas.
Well, I think we're gonna see the penguins next.
Oh, so now we're on our way to penguins.
They're smelly, but I love them.
Yeah. Okay. Bush. Thank you.
Huh?
So thank you.
You're welcome.
Dude, these are stinky boys. Smelly. The way these ones swim is so funny. These are my favorite penguins. I think they're the cutest.
Yeah.
Look at them. Look at them floating along. So funny. Got a baby longhorn in there, cleaning itself. Cute.
It's so little.
There's a rooster in there. We got goats. So cute. So small.
In the world. Nope, the swift fox is only found in the Great Plains of North America.
That's cool. Feels kind of gross.
There's a little fox. Hey, it's so cute. Oh, it's so scared.
Oh, it is pretty.
Yeah, stretch.
Oh, it's
Big
pink.
Oh, it's pink. That's cool.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, little guy. It was chilling.
I think he's scared.
Yeah. It was so scared it took a leak. Go across the swinging swamp bridge.
There's only one way to do it.
Oh my god. This is unstable. Ah, it's unstable. Jesus, you're having me bouncing. Oh. Jeez. Holy cow, the water makes it look huge.
Look at those teeth.
I want to look at the small ones, because the small ones are cute. Oh, it's a touching? We can touch?
Yeah. 2 fingers. It's rough.
Ew, bumpy.
What's that one?
Wait, that or that?
That.
Is it hard?
Yeah.
Wee. Oh, is that a horseshoe crab?
Yeah. Hey, buddy. Oh, look, this one's going.
Swim, little guy.
What's the other side?
Oh, the underside of the starfish? Is it gross?
What does it feel like?
Nasty.
Oh.
Look, everyone. It's America's mascot. The bald eagle.
Hey, yo, don't be shy.
There he is. America. He's huge. 2 mountain lions up there. One's cleaning themselves, one's just staring at us. They're so cute. Too bad they're kind of weird.
Kind of weird.
Come
I
back.
think it's a coyote.
Oh, it's a coyote?
Yeah.
Never mind.
I got a little bit of a...
It's a oh, is that a bobcat up there?
I think so, yeah.
Whoa. So cool. Bobcat and a coyote. Love it. I love it.
I realized now he was like... Because he's waiting for him.
That's cool. Got some construction updates. Open range area.
They're remodeling pretty much all the Asian animals is what they're saying. So like the tigers, the lions, they're redoing all their exhibits, which is awesome because their exhibits used to be so tiny. So now they're gonna have so much more open space to run around. It's amazing.
Oh, it's also gonna be for the leopard, huh?
Mhm.
So just all the big cats?
Yeah.
That's cool.
But they have already finished like the elephants and the giraffes and everything. So their exhibits are massive and is wonderful.
Well, speaking of elephants are right here.
Which is my favorite.
Elephant Springs. It's in the corner because it was a bad rhino.
Yes. Got put in timeout.
We're at the giraffe feeding zone. There's a giraffe and ostriches right in front. You did not get a phone. Look at that one's close up.
Wow.
It's like, give me that piece of lettuce. Give it to me. So cool. Got the ostrich in the back over there. Giraffes all over.
The giraffe sticking his head over the fence over there. There's two.
Dude, this one's getting a buffet.
Here, Bubba.
Moto.
I like them chunky.
It's so bright. Alright, we about finished the zoo. We're leaving. Did all the exhibits that were open. A few were closed, like the big cats.
We'll have to come back whenever those are done.
Anything else was closed? Nothing
Just-
really, just
no.
the big cats.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna go get some food.
Get some lunch. Overall, it's a little smaller than last time, only because they're doing so much remodeling. A lot of the exhibits were closed, but the newer exhibits that they have already remodeled, amazing. I love how much space they give all the animals. They're very open. So I'd give it an 8 out of 10. It'll probably be 10 out of 10 once the remodel's done.
Yeah, once the cool cats are there, it'll be cool to see the lions and everything.
Yeah.
How does it compare to San Diego Zoo? I guess I like the layout of this one better. It's so easy. It's just one big long line.
A lot easier to navigate.
You don't get confused. You don't get lost. So in terms of navigation, I think this one's better. In terms of features, like fun things to do, the food, and in terms of animals, I think San Diego still tops it, just because there's a lot.
San Diego is definitely a lot bigger.
Yeah.
So they have a bunch more animals.
They have that sky tram thing.
Yeah.
Which is cool. But yeah, recommend checking out the Fort Worth Zoo when you can. Spent about 2 hours there, and that's all you really need. So let's eat. Ooh, it's dark. Oh, it's just my glasses because it's tinted. All right, we're walking up on Woodshed Smokehouse. So it took us forever to find parking.
They don't have like a parking lot for their restaurant. All they had was valet.
Yeah, and all the street parking says like you're gonna be towed.
Yeah.
Even though people will park there anyways, but we'd rather not risk it. So we found a parking lot way down there. That's meant for. There's a whole bunch of like bars and restaurants down there. So.
But it didn't like specify like you can only park here for this restaurant. So we're like, we'll park here.
Yeah. All good. All good. Scenery behind us.
Got live music, fun atmosphere.
A view of the river. That's awesome.
And you can have dogs at the restaurant. There's even a menu for dogs.
Alright, so this is the Bumblebee. It's made with whiskey, orange juice, lemon, and I think agave. It's good. It's smoky. The smoky comes from the whiskey. However, these drinks, they're nearly the same price. They're tiny, but they're so expensive. It's like $14 for this. Like damn. So first bad experience is the pricing of their drinks. Because if this is all we get, that is terrible. Yum yum.
You know what? It's not the rum. It has grapefruit in it. That bitterness is what I'm getting. But yeah, I mean it's tasty. But I think for the price, because I think yours was 15, mine was 13. It's not a good deal.
So here we got, chips and queso. The chips were nice and crispy, crunchy. Queso was really good, tasted great. We got the pork empanadas, and they were kind of dry. They definitely needed sauce, and I was not a fan of that nasty mustard sauce it came with. It was gross. So I went ahead and dipped mine in the queso, which was wonderful. It was good, just kind of dry, so needed that queso on it. Here were the bulgogi beef tacos with quote-unquote kimchi on the side, but if you look at it, it's barely kimchi. It's not even bulgogi. It tasted like it was on a kebab. And here is the burger, pulled pork and sausage burger, or sandwich, however you want to say it. Came with coleslaw on it. The potato chips on the side were kind of meh. They were very burnt tasting, so it's kind of bland. But the burger itself was good. Came out cold though, so kind of gross. Alright, so overall, our experience at Woodshed Smokehouse, I give it a 5 out of 10.
Same.
Food-wise, I would probably give the food a 7 or 6 out of 10. It was good and filling. Her burger though came out cold. Also, not that our food took forever to come out, but like what happened was in terms of like experience of the service, we only had our appetizer, and then I guess we waited a good like 20 minutes, and then our server came with the check. It was like, "Oh, are we ready to split?" I was like, "Our food hasn't even come yet."
Yeah.
And she was like, "Oh, sorry," and then she left, and then she came back and was like,
The kitchen's really
backed
slow.
up. Even though the tables around us had come
After us.
and got their food before us. So we're like,
They definitely forgot to put our order
she
in.
definitely forgot to like, put ours in. But that's what it was. And so, yeah, give that place in total not a cozy experience. So a 5 out of 10
Yeah.
for me. For you?
5 out of 10. Atmosphere was fun. Food tasted good, but definitely not worth the price.
Oh yeah, the price is killer.
It was very
Those
expensive.
drinks were tiny and just.
I think the drinks were almost more expensive than the food.
Yeah,
It was, yeah.
that's how bad it was. So,
You're definitely paying for the atmosphere. That's what it boils down to.
yeah. So, would I recommend Woodshed? No, not really. So, if you see Woodshed on the map and you're thinking about it, I would say skip.
There's definitely a lot of better places that are more affordable in the area you could try.
All right, well, that is our adventure today. Catch you in the next adventure. Peace.
Bye!